Now, let's start stuffing the pieces. Remember to stuff more cotton in this corner. First, make a chain stitch. The 20th round is repeated 1 decrease and to single crochets a total of 3 times. The first group is done. The second group is done. The third group is done. Then finally, single crochet 1. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Then start with the chain stitches. The 21st and 22nd rounds. We're just going to work even with 10 single crochets each. Go ahead and work those 2 rounds on your own. Then we started the 23rd round of crochet. Single crochet 1. Single crochet decreases 1. Repeat 3 times. Finally, single crochet 1. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Make a chain stitch. From the 24th to the 42nd rounds, we all single crochet 7. Instead of joining with a slip stitch, you can just work a single crochet directly into the first stitch. You can just continue to crochet in a spiral until you reach your desired length. Once finished, chain one and cut the yarn. Then, take your shaping wire and insert it into the tail. Once the wire is installed, use a yarn needle to sew the tail closed. Our main body is completed. Then we'll crochet belly.